brother Jerry Basalan for 3. Jump ball, white versus black. Intercept by Ili to Halalon. Halalon, AC basket by Halalon. Yes, unang puntos ni Shaka. Ili 2. Yes. So Arlon, good puntos. Lito Malak, the veterano. Tagiya sa Kalakawa Gym. Ili to Halalon to Shaka. Yeah, Shakam. Good puntos by Shakam. As a request. Bound by Shakam. To Timmy. Timmy lihat by Timmy. No, good rebound by Timmy again. Timmy pagampat for 2. Yes, countered basket by Timmy. By Shakam. Ronnie Shakam to Peter. Yes. Score 0 G's. Last 10 ang white. Jiri to Lochi Mama for 3 points. So good na. Itala. Arlon to Peter for 2. No good rebound by Jiri Basalan, number 1, Jiri of black team. Diretso, no good rebound by Peter, the veterans. Peter. Intercept by Jiri. Ay saan? Foul by Peter.
Nanggunit.
Foul, first personal foul, Peter. First team foul. Score 3-10. Luchi Mama for 3. No good rebound by Lito Malang for 2. No good rebound by Shaka. Intercept by Luchi for 2. Yes, counted basket by Luchi Mama. Score 5-10. Ronnie to Peter. Peter for 3. Air ball. Black ball. 4 minutes. Jiri dribbling the ball. Jiri number 1. Pass to Dondon for 3. No good. Pasa dito ni Lito Malang. Good assist by Dondon. Arlon number 7. Arlon pass to Ili to Shakam pass to Timmy. Pagapat. Timmy for 2. No good rebound by Shakam number 7 to pass to Ili to Arlon liap ay sa foul number 9 Luchi Map. First team foul, first personal foul Luchi. 2 free throws by Arlon. Yes, counted basket. Unang pizza.
Gamitin ang timeout ninyo para mga
Last shot by Arlon. Yes, 100% by Arlon. Jiri pass to Dundon to Luchi Basalan. No good rebound by Luchi again. Luchi for 3 points. Score 10-12 in favor of white. Dundon, number 20. Dundon pass to Luchi Mama to Dundon to Lito Malang. The veterano to Luchi. Intercept by Shaka. Intercept by Dundon to brother Jiri Basalan for 3 points. Labaw ng black team. 13-12 in favor of black. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Arlon of white team. Dribbling the ball. Arlon number 7 pass to Shaka for 3. No good rebound. Palop shot by Arlon. No good. Counted. Foul number 1, Jiri Basalan. Second team foul, first personal foul, Jiri Basalan. One shot, rebound miss. Rebound by Gagang. Nice whistle blow by referee. Rebound by Shakam to Arlon. Arlon, 1 minute, last 1 minute. Peter fake for 2. Yes, counted basket by Peter. Jiri Basalan, 50 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds in first 5, in first half. Number one, Jiri Basalan. 15 second shot clock. To Luchi Basalan. No good rebound by Peter. Peter to Shakam. Shakam halalon. Shakam easy layup. Yes, natatama padaan. 25 seconds. Luchi of black team. Luchi pass to Dondon. Dondon to Luchi. Luchi to Dondon. Out ball. 12 seconds. Shaka running for 2. No good rebound by Lito. 5 seconds. Last shot. Gagang to Luchi. Pass it Peter. Oh! No more time. No more time. Second five. Automatic second 5. Score 13-18. Jiri for 2. Yes. Score 15-18. In favor of white team. Shaka. Ronnie. Intercept to Ili. Yes, counted basket by Ili.
No calm down.
White ball.
No count.
Nice assist.
Outside. Tip him out.
Apil na doon. No more counted? Alright, no counted. Sorry. Wala. Nagiging sa referee. Okay, Arlon to Timmy for 2. Follow up by Arlon. Robert, rebound by Ili. Yes, no. Ibawi ni Ili. Replay. Score 15-20. Jiri Basalan to brother Luchi. Luchi Basalan number 9. Luchi for 3. No good rebound. Luchi again for 3. Point. Duha na lang. 18-20 in fifth. Shaka. Shot for 2. No good.
Come on.
Time out, black team. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. To Luchi Basalan. To Jiri to Luchi Basalan. Luchi to Dondon. 15 seconds shot clock. Jiri Basalan. Jiri for 2. No good rebound by Dondon. Pull-up shot. No good rebound by Ili. Ili to Shakam to Timmy Pagapat for 2. Yes, counted basket by 2. Jiri Basalan number 1. Jiri of black team. Jiri intercept by Arnold to Eli. Good for 2 by Eli. Easy basket by Eli. Gagang of black team pass to Jiri to Dondon to Lito Malam for 2. Yes, counted basket by Lito. Score 20-24. Shakam to Arlon for 3. No good rebound by Peter. Peter for 2. Yes, counted basket by Peter. Of white team. Arlon pass to Shaq. To Ailey. 15 second shot clock. Ailey to Timmy. Timmy to Arlon. Arlon to Halalon. Shaq ang foul. Jerry boy.
Is that counted?
Not counted. Not counted. Okay, substitution then. Automatic sub. Ili for 2. No good. Yes, counted basket. Time out, Black Team. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining time in second half. Score 20-28 in favor of in favor of white. White team. Automatic sub. Ili of white. Pass to Ili underneath. Yes, counted basket by Ili. Rodel Mama, number 11. Pass to Luchi Mama. Luchi Mama for 3. No good. Rebound by out ball. Okay. Dondon for 2. Yes, counted basket by Dondon. Score 22-30. Shakam Halalon. Shakam pass to Timmy. Timmy for 3. Kumpiyansa mo. Hindi yan sa kumpiyansa. Veterans from Hinebra. Dondon to Rodel Mama. Out ball. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining time. Substitution. Automatic sub. Out in. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining time in first half. Arlon pass to Ronnie Halalam Shakam. Shakam to Timmy. Yes, counted basket by Timmy. Score 35-22 in favor of Whitey. 1 minute remaining time. Rodel for 2. Intercept by Peter. Peter pass to Arlon. Out ball. 1 minute. Last 1 minute. No good rebound by Ili. Ili to Shakam. Intercept by Jiri. Jiri to Rodel. Rodel to Sandro, the captain. Sandro pass to Dondon. Pull him shot to Sandro again. Yes, counted basket. Alright. Oh, Mark, thank you over here. 30 seconds. Shakam for 2. Rebound by Jiri. Jiri to Dondon. Dondon to Jiri. Jiri for 2. No good rebound to Jiri again to Rodel. 20 seconds. Rodel underneath. Out ball. 17 seconds. Oh, padapin sa Elmer. Okay, 17 seconds.
Go!
Okay, 2 points by Jiri. 10 seconds.
Wala na, last 8-3 na, hindi na lang.
Jiri. Arlon out ball. 2 seconds. Counted. Buzzer beater. Coroni Halalon. Shakam. 37. Counted basket. 2 seconds. Sandro to Lito Malang. Yes, counted basket by Lito.
Morris.
Peter to
Kagiwa.
Liumark.
Oh, kuha Kagiwa.
Intercept by Lito to Luchi to Sandro, the captain. Sandro number 6. Sandro pass to Gagang for 3 points. Score. Intercept by Luchi to Sandro. Score 37-31 in favor of white. Intercept by Peter. Peter to Medina Liumark Medina. For 3. No good rebound by Kagiwa. To Shakam Pinaw shot. Yes, counted basket by Shakam. Sandro dribbling the ball. Sandro the captain, number 6. Sandro black team. Sandro 15 second shot clock to Dondon. Intercept by Peter to Shakam. Gagang not counted.
Sab, Rone, gawas yan.
Sab. Gawas.
Sub. Situation, sub. Rebound by Peter. Oy, padapli ng Cincinnati. May nakabang diri. Tanawa, makikita. Peter to Hero. Sandro to Dondon. AC basket to Dondon. Yes. Loose ball. Play ball mana siya, para play ball na sa sub. Arla for 3 points. 44-33. Score in favor of white team. Lost ball. Rebound by Arlon. Easily up by Arlon. Yes, counted basket by Arlon. Unya lagi ini lost ball ba? Deep ball ba? Sama ka dribble man ang siya. Good. Okay. Score 48-33. Lito Malang. Lito to Sandro, the captain pass to Luchi Mama for 3 points. Padaplin lagi mo. Yeah. Uy, padaplin mo ba? Oh, kana. Sab. Apple. Sab. Automatic sab. Out, in, out. Okay. Sandro, number 6, the captain. Pass to Rodel Mama. Rodel to Dondon, underneath Dondon. Yes, counted basket by Dondon. O black team. Arlon, number 7, Arlon, layup. Yes, counted basket by Arlon. Rebound by Arlon to Medina, Kagiwa to Shakam. Yes, counted basket by Shakam. Score 54-38 in favor of black team. Sandro dribbling the ball for 2. Yes, counted basket by Sandro. Dead ball, substitution red. Dead ball. De La Cruz, Hero, turn around shot. Yes, counted basket by Hero.
Wapong ulo!
Sandro black team. Sandro pass to Rodel Mamak for 2. Yes, counted basket by Rodel Mamak. Arlon of white team. Arlon number 7. Arlon layup. Yes, counted basket by Arlon. Score 58-42 in favor of white team. Sandro number 6 of black team. Sandro pass to Dondon for 3 points. Score 45-58 in favor of white team. Alright, 8 minutes, living time, 8 minutes. Sandro dribbling the ball. Sandro fake pass to Gagang for 2. Yes, counted basket by Gagang. Dondon to Gagang. Yes, counted basket by Gagang. Score 49-58. Kagiwa Benina. Lochi layup. Yes! Nadal sa veterans move. Kamay na lang. Ang oras. 58-51 in favor of white. Sandro of black team. Sandro pass to Dondon for 2. No to Sandro to Dondon. Out ball. Sayang. Sige lang. Out, in, out. Sub. Okay, 6 minutes remaining time. 58-51 in favor of white team. Nina, number 24, dribbling the ball of white team. To Arlon for 3 points. 61-53. Sub, situation rep, dead ball. Okay, Deadpool. Nasa! Deadpool!
Technical.
No more call. No more call. Sandro for 3 points! Deadpool. Lost ball. Kagiwa. Medina. Pass to Hero for 3 points! Score 64-56. Dondon. Intercept by Medina. Medina Kagiwa pass to Siakam. Easy basket by Siakam. Score 66-56. 66 and 56.
Ronnie, kuyaw.
Okay, favor of white team. Sandro pass to Lito. Lito to Sandro. Sandro to Luchi Mama for 3 points. Okay, gamay na lang. 4 minutes. Evening time. Hero. Liat sa foul. Number 8, Lito Malang. Foul, 13 foul. Lito.
Ay, kumpiyansa lagi. Ay, mamuga rin.
Ronnie.
Klaro kayo, mamuga lagi rin.
Ronnie to Medina for 3 points. Substitution niya rin. Lost ball. Substitution. Prepared substitution.
Hello, Mike. Manon.
Jiri, dribbling the ball. Jiri pass to Dondon. Dondon intercept by Siakam. Siakam, Ronnie layup. Yes, counted basket by Ronnie. 3 minutes.
Hey! Lumike.
Time out, black team. Time out. Time out.
Kunin mo, Mano.
Score 71-59 in favor of white team. Ang oras 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining time in second half in action. Okay, third game. Red versus blue. Prepared. Alright. Back to the ball game. Black ball. Rodel Mamak pass to Luchi Mama to Rodel Mamak to Sandro, the captain. Sandro for 2. Yes, counted basket by Sandro. Arlon pass to Kagiwa Medina for 2. No good rebound by Sandro. Hero to Siakam for 2. Yes. Easy basket by Siakam. Rebound by Siakam Halalon for 2. Yes, counted basket. 75-61. Goes again to Medina to Timmy. Yes, counted basket by Timmy. 2 minutes, gato nyo sa Monster Energy. Apple. So what? Di nakadungo? Okay lang. Number 17, Hero to Siakam. Assist by to Hero. Yes, counted basket by Hero. Score 81-61. 1 minute. Remaining time. Sandro Liam. No good rebound by Hero, number 17. To Timmy. Ayaw, Timmy. Asa itong veteranong mo. Wala na shot. Ay, best player of the game. Siakam Halalon. Picture pag may time. Arlon. Si Arlon o si Siakam. Yes, by Arlon. 3 points. Last shot. Sa block. Plus na sa advance. Alright. High below white team. Score 86-61. Congratulations, white team. Oh, best player. Siakam Halalon.